Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Over the Table's Random Reviews. I know what you guys are thinking. Joey, how are we getting another video this quickly? You just put one out a couple days ago. Well, you're welcome. That's all I have to say. I will apologize ahead of time if you hear these bugs that are outside going absolutely nuts with their sound. If you don't hear it, you're gonna think I'm crazy anyway. But anyway, this right here, it's a 40-foot strand of 100 lights. It's a string light. It's for like outdoors and stuff. Seems really cool. It's really cheap. So let's open it up and check it out. Alright guys, so it comes in a box. It's got some weight to it. Alright, so this, unlike most videos, this is a true unboxing. Most of them are unbaggings, and unbagging just doesn't have the same flow in the word as unboxing does. So in the package you get your basic manual type of sheet of paper, and then the product. So here it is. It does come protected in some plastic here. Alright. So let's see what we've got in the package. Let's go ahead and take it all out. Sorry if that plastic was really loud, the microphone down there. Sorry. Alright. So what you're going to get in the package is you're going to get your strand of 40 feet, about 40 feet of 100 different lights, and then attached to that is the solar panel. This does not plug in. This is a true solar panel that's used for powering these, and then of course you get the stand for the solar panel. So to put this thing together seems super simple. Of course there's a twist tie in here. So let's go ahead and, where is it? Alright, so what you'll notice is as you're taking off your twist tie, when these things clack on each other, they sound a lot like a Newton's cradle. Get that nice clacking going on. Alright, so then these... There we go. Okay, it's not as complicated as I thought. If we're talking about ease of use, I mean, we're talking you snap that right in. It's an adjustable solar panel, so based on where you live and where it gets the most light, you can adjust this thing 180 degrees, probably even a little bit more than that. And then on the back, what you've got is you've got a power button, and you've got your mode button that changes between 8 different lighting modes, and the rest of it just looks super nice. These bulbs have kind of it's like an acrylic, but there's bubbles in there which really capture the light and luminesce when the LEDs in there do turn on. It just looks super nice. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and go outside, set these things up. Let's see what they look like in the dark, check out the different lighting modes, and see how cool it is. Let's go outside. Okay guys, as you can see, now that we are out here, this thing looks super cool. The lights turn on automatically when it gets dark enough outside, and then it charges automatically during the day. You get about 8 to 10 hours of light during the night while it's charging during the day. That's pretty darn efficient in my opinion. The 8 different lighting modes gives you completely different variations between just steady color, flashing, and kind of like fading on and off, all that kind of cool stuff. Gives a nice little appeal. I prefer the just straight on look. That's my opinion. But if you were, I mean, if it's like a holiday and you want to use it as a Christmas light, you know, go ahead and do that different kind of flashing thing. It's just super nice. It takes about 6 hours of sunlight to charge this thing up fully. And guys, it's 40 feet. It's 100 different lights, and this thing is on Amazon for less than 20 bucks. Right now there's a coupon. If you click the link I got in the description, you get like another $4 off of the like $18 price tag. Super cheap, super affordable. If you're looking at putting something in your back patio area or hanging something up for Christmas time, it's up to you. But this is definitely not a bad product to do so. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, I remind you, I've got a 10,000 subscriber giveaway coming up, and the 5,000 is still up, so click the subscribe button right down here. If you want to check out the last video, it's going to be up there, and if you want to check out the random reviews playlist, it's going to be over there. Have a great day, everybody, and as always, don't get shot.